All right, I'm shooting this quick video on a Mighty M 3504 because when I first purchased this, it would smoke black and I didn't know why. And I looked all over YouTube, couldn't find nothing. Read the manual, did the protocols on, you know, changing fuel filter, changing the fuel, checking the fuel pressure, and it still smoked black. And then there was a fuel air adjustment, which is right here, this right here, this lever. So if it's up or down, either way, I mean, it's a fine-tune adjustment. It's either gonna smoke black or it's gonna smoke white. If it's smoking white, it's leaned out, it's getting too much air. And if it's smoking black, then it's choking it and it's not getting enough air. And all I did was adjust that a tiny bit and she burnt perfectly clean and had no problems ever since. So that's why I thought I'd make this video to try to help someone out on that and show you guys how it works. All right, what we got here is a quick connect coupler off an excavator. You can see all the grease in there. Give it a whirl. See how that's burning clean? That's the way it's supposed to look. Clean as a whistle. Mighty M 3504 hot water pressure washer. All right, here's it all steamed down. See how clean it is. About 5 minutes worth of steam and it's about it. So much better than a cold water pressure washer. Cold water just spreads the grease. This actually just annihilates it and gets rid of it.